Hey there, fitness fans! Feeling short on time? We know how busy life can get, but that doesn't mean you have to skip your workout. Don't worry, I've got you covered. In just 5 minutes, you can get your heart pumping and muscles working. We can still make a difference in just 5 minutes. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, this quick routine is perfect for you. That's right, 5 minutes to a fitter you. It's amazing what a short burst of exercise can do for your body and mind. No equipment needed, no gym membership required. Just follow along and give it your best effort. Just you, me, and a little bit of space. Clear a small area and let's get moving. Are you ready to get started? Let's go! Remember, consistency is key and every little bit counts. Let's make these 5 minutes count. Before we turn up the heat, let's get those muscles warm and ready to work. A good warm-up is essential to prepare your body for the workout ahead. It helps increase your heart rate, improve blood flow to your muscles, and reduce the risk of injury. So let's dive into our dynamic warm-up routine. We'll start with some arm circles, forward and backward, 10 times each. This exercise is great for loosening up your shoulders and getting your upper body ready for action. Make sure to keep your movements controlled and feel the stretch in your shoulders. Feel your shoulders loosening up? Great! Remember, a proper warm-up can make a big difference in your performance. Now, let's move on to the next exercise. Now let's do some leg swings, side to side, 10 times each. This will help to loosen up your hips and legs, preparing them for more intense movements. Keep your core engaged and swing your legs with control. Almost ready. Finish with some high stepping, bringing those knees up high for 20 seconds. This exercise will get your heart rate up and your blood pumping, ensuring you're ready for the workout ahead. Keep your back straight and drive your knees towards your chest. Feel that blood pumping? Now we're ready to rock. A good warm-up sets the tone for a great workout, so let's give it our all and make the most of today's session. Here's where the magic happens. Welcome to your 5-minute workout, designed to get your heart pumping and muscles working in no time. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just starting out, this quick routine is perfect for everyone. So let's get ready to move and have some fun. We're going to do 5 exercises each for 40 seconds, giving it our all. These exercises are designed to target different muscle groups and keep your body guessing, with a 10-second break in between. Use these breaks to catch your breath and get ready for the next move. Remember, it's important to listen to your body and take it at your own pace. Remember, keep moving, even if it means going at your own pace. Let's do this! The key is to stay motivated and push through. You might feel the burn, but that's just your body getting stronger. High knees. Bring those knees up high, as if you're trying to touch the sky with them. This exercise is great for getting your heart rate up and working your lower body. Like you're running in place. Keep your core tight and pump your arms to maximize the benefits. Feel your heart rate going up? You got this. Keep pushing, you're doing amazing. High knees are fantastic for building endurance and stamina. Squat to reach. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, making sure your toes are pointing slightly outward. This stance will help you maintain balance and proper form. Squat down and reach for the floor. Engage your core and keep your back straight as you lower yourself. Stand back up and reach for the sky. This movement not only works your legs but also stretches your entire body. Feel those legs and glutes working. Squats are excellent for building strength in your lower body and improving flexibility. Mountain climbers. Get into a plank position, keeping your core tight. This is a full body exercise that targets your abs, shoulders, and legs. Now bring those knees towards your chest, alternating quickly. Imagine you're climbing a steep mountain, one at a time like you're climbing a mountain. Keep your movements controlled and steady. Lunges with a twist. Step forward with one leg, making sure your knee doesn't go past your toes. This exercise is great for your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. Bending both knees to a 90-degree angle. Keep your upper body straight and your core engaged. Now twist your upper body towards the front leg. This adds an extra challenge to your core. Feel the burn in your thighs and core. Lunges with a twist are fantastic for improving balance and coordination. Burpee modification. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. This exercise is a full body workout that combines strength and cardio. Now bend down and place your hands on the floor. Keep your core tight and your back straight. Step back with your feet, one at a time, into a plank position. This part of the movement works your core and upper body. Step back in and stand up. If you're feeling up to it, you can add a jump at the end for an extra challenge. Too tough? That's okay. Just step back one leg at a time instead of jumping. You're doing great. Remember, the goal is to keep moving and have fun. You're one step closer to a healthier you. Cool down gentle stretches. Great job, everyone. Now let's cool down with some gentle stretches. Reach up to the sky, feeling a stretch in your sides. Now bend down and touch your toes, gently stretching your hamstrings. Hold each stretch for 15 seconds, breathing deeply. Feel the tension melt away. You did it! Now what? You did it! You completed a full body workout in just 5 minutes. Remember, even small steps lead to big changes. Keep up the amazing work, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Now get out there and make every minute count.